I'm pretty excited. There's someone very special coming over tonight. Someone called Kipa Sherpa, who was one of the two Sherpas, Kipa Sherpa and Dorje Sherpa, who were with me on top of Everest. And I haven't seen him since May 1997. He's visiting his son in Melbourne. Oh, wait.
Video?
Video.
Oh, that was video.
Yes.
You got pen, quick way back.
So what do you think of Mount Rapalese, Kipaji?
Beautiful, beautiful. From a nice view. Oh, we make a summit. Oh.
And what's it like seeing each other again after so many years?
We met in 22 years. I'm so funny, so happy. Then again together summit Rapalese Mountain.
Nice.
Nice summit.
Very good.
Nice, actually, yeah.
Feels so nice here at the top.
It is a beautiful spot. This man has climbed Everest 3 times. Yep. His name is Kipa Sherpa. My hero. Yay!
Oh,
Kipa and Brigitte.
hi.
In 1997, we were on the top of Everest, and now we're at Mount Rapalese, seeing each other for the first time in 22 years. What are you making, Kipa?
I make a tea.
Tea.
Nepali tea.
I thought Pasang was making Nepali tea.
Yeah, tea. Maybe later I make a cookie. Now,
So you actually put milk.
that's milk. Actually put it with the water, but we make a quick. Make it on. Okay.
That's good. One, two, three. Yes, good.
Very good. Kipa and Pasang were the subjects of a documentary called Sherpa's Stew, and I'll share the link on this website so you can see what it's all about. From the top of Everest to New York City. How many spoons of sugar?
4, yeah.
4. So is it 1 per cup? One, almost.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah, almost. Yeah.
We make a tonight for ready made.
Oh, right now, it's cold.
Ah, okay.
Nepali tea
Nepali tea.
by Sherpa Lady.
Yeah.
Please, Pamba, tell me what Sherpa Stew is about.
So, and the film is about the summiters living in New York, how their lifestyle, how they are living there, and also about why they had to do that. Yeah, it wasn't, well, for me, it seems like it was not their interest. It was kind of a compulsion because they had kids, they had their families to look after, so which is not very easy back in Nepal. So you have to take a big risk to get to the top of the Everest, but what you get after doing that, it's not much. In case of my dad, he got the opportunity to go there because his friend Gary wanted him to come to New York with him. So, and then after that, he was there, and then he decided to stay there. And then it's all about, what is he doing there at the moment, and how is his life going over there, and with his friends.
How many Everest summiteers do you think there are in New York City?
Last time summiter all together coming there almost 35, because 35 somebody coming from California, somebody coming Alaska, together we meeting there.
And I think they also have a mountaineering association of New York.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, some.
and I think he's also engaged in those sort of things.
Yes.
And it seems that, without the Sherpas, it would be difficult for any of the, other summiters to get there. If it wasn't for, the help what you gave, Brigitte wouldn't have been able to get there. Or she would have
Absolutely.
died.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
So it's great that there's, a movie about that and the life of the people that actually help people get there.
And
Yeah.
what really amazed me is that everyone that I've seen who summited Everest and was a really, really good climber, such as yourself, Kipa, ended up doing very not well-paid jobs. But being in the USA, I suppose it's easier to make money to send for the children, yeah?
Yeah, right.
You told me yesterday that you worked for, 14, 15 years every day?
Yeah, every day.
How many hours?
Sometimes 18 hours, sometimes 15 hours, and sometimes every day going back to work, come back home, sleeping in the back to work, come back. Yeah, but now I'm a little better. But before I don't have prepare something, nothing. That's why it's a little bit salary is no good. But that's why I long out as make a job.
Yes, yes. And now your children have finished their education?
Yeah.
All
now,
4 of them?
Now, yeah.
So now you can relax a little bit, yes?
Yeah, now so almost 3 years ago, and now I'm relaxed. Now that's why I travel in Australia. Maybe next I go to Europe. I'm thinking like that.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's been such a privilege to have you and De Pasang and De Pemba visiting in Narimak, visiting
And,
us. It's like such a pleasure.
And for me, it's what should I call? It's a great privilege for me to get a chance to see Brigitte and Eric. So I feel very happy that I got a chance to meet someone like Brigitte because of my dad. So we are all here together today.
Yay.